Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Heatseeker in Rocket League Sideswipe. Heatseeker is a fast-paced game mode where the ball automatically targets your opponent's goal after every touch. Each successful hit makes the ball travel faster, creating intense, high-speed plays. This mode is usually played in a 2 versus 2 format, emphasizing quick reactions and coordinated defense. Matches are typically 2 minutes long, with any ties resolved in sudden death over time. For offense, focus on hitting the ball into challenging spots for your opponents, like the top corners of the goal. Powerful shots are key, as they accelerate the ball's speed, making it much harder to save. Always follow your shots closely. This allows you to capitalize on rebounds or quickly redirect the ball if an opponent makes a weak save. Effective communication and passing with your teammate can create open nets and scoring opportunities. On defense, your primary goal is to position yourself strategically between the ball and your net. Anticipate where the ball will go after an opponent's hit, and try to intercept it before it gains too much speed. When clearing the ball, aim for the sides or corners of the arena to move it away from your goal and give your team time to reset. Mastering aerial saves is crucial for blocking those incredibly fast, high-flying shots that often occur in Heatseeker. For advanced play, master using dodges and flips to make precise aerial adjustments, allowing you to reach difficult shots or saves. Practice wall riding to maintain momentum and control, setting up powerful clears or offensive plays. Learning to pinch the ball against a wall or another car can generate incredibly fast shots, often too quick for opponents to react. Finally, efficient boost management is absolutely critical for both maintaining offensive pressure and executing timely defensive maneuvers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.